channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called Hats Off. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Alright, so for this fun activity, the only items you're going to need are a water bottle, a basket, and a hat. So make sure you stay tuned and we'll get to that in just a moment. What you're going to do is you're going to kick it off and you're going to try to make it land on your head. So this is how it looks. Ready? Oh, almost got it. So you have your students do this about 5 times. Almost again. Alright, so I'm going to do 3 just for this example. I went dominant foot, now I'm going to go non-dominant foot. Again, I'll just do 3 for the sake of the video. It's 1. It's 2. Ah, just missed it. Alright, so that's for level 1. We'll get to level 2 in just a moment. Alright, so for level 2, what I'm going to do is do the same thing, except this time I've added a basket. You can have a box, you can have a grocery shopping bag, whatever you guys have available. You're going to count 5 steps. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn around again, put it on your dominant foot. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to do it 3 times. That's 1. If you wanted to, you can have your students time themselves for 1 minute, see how many times they can make it in 1 minute, or you just have them do it a number of times, let's say 3, 5, or 10. Now we're going to switch it over to my non-dominant foot. Try again 3 times. Again, focusing on a strategy, accuracy, and kicking. Up, gotta kick a little harder. And 3, all right. So that's level 2, we're moving on to level 3. Alright, so now for level 3 of Hats Off, what you're going to do is still place this hat on your foot. This time you're going to try to catch it on top of the water bottle. I'm going to kick up, and when the hat's in the air, I'm going to try to catch it and make it land on the water bottle. Oh, well, that counts, I guess. 2. Just missed it. Then I'm going to switch hands, go my non-dominant foot. There you go, that's 1. 2. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game of Hats Off. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let us know in the comment section what you thought about the activity, how you can modify it, how you can change it up. We'd like to know. Again, use our hashtag, the P.E Spot, because we like to see how your students are responding to this game. So again, use our hashtag, the P.E Spot. And as always, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.